नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंदा. Enunciating text 6, text 7, text 8 and text 9 of chapter 11. Calculation of time from the atom of third canto the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 6. त्रस रेणुत्रिकम भुंक्ते यः कालः स त्रुटिः स्मृतः शतभागस्तु वेधः स्यात् तैस त्रिभिस्तु लवः स्मृतः. The time duration needed for the integration of 3 trasa renus is called a truti, and 100 trutis make one vedha. 3 vedhas make one lava. It is calculated that if a second is divided into 1687.5 parts, each part is the duration of a truti, which is the time occupied in the integration of 18 atomic particles. Such a combination of atoms into different bodies creates the calculation of material time. The sun is the central point for calculating all different durations. Text 7. Nimeshas trilavodneya आम्नातस्ते त्रयः क्षणः क्षणान् पञ्च विदुः काष्ठां लघु तादश पञ्च च. The duration of time of 3 lavas is equal to 1 nimesha. The combination of 3 nimeshas makes 1 kshana. 5 kshanas combined together make 1 kashtha, and 15 kashthas make 1 laghu. By calculation, it is found that 1 laghu is equal to 2 minutes. The atomic calculation of time in terms of Vedic wisdom may be converted into present time with this understanding. Text 8. लघूनि वै समाम्नाता दशपञ्च च नाडिका ते 2 मुहूर्तः प्रहरः षड्यामः सप्तवा नृणाम्. 15 laghus make 1 nadika, which is also called a danda. 2 dandas make 1 muhurta, and 6 or 7 dandas make 1/4 of a day or night according to human civilization. Text 9. द्वादशार्ध पलोनमानं चतुरभिष चतुरन् गुलैः स्वर्णमाशैः कृतच छिद्रं यावत् प्रस्थ जलप्लुतम्. The measuring pot for 1 nadika or danda can be prepared with a 6 pala weight 14 ounce pot of copper in which a hole is bored with a gold probe weighing 4 mass and measuring 4 fingers long. When the pot is placed in water, the time before the water overflows in the pot is called 1 danda. It is advised herein that the bore in the copper measuring pot must be made with a probe weighing not more than 4 mass and measuring not longer than 4 fingers. This regulates the diameter of the hole. The pot is submerged in water and the overflowing time is called a danda. This is another way of measuring the duration of a danda, just as time is measured by sand in a glass. It appears that in the days of Vedic civilization, there was no dearth of knowledge in physics, chemistry or higher mathematics. Measurements were calculated in different ways as simply as could be done. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.